And then I'm going to do the search and destroy now. So I'll turn the Q up to 18 and then we'll go through the track, go through the loop, and I will find the harsh frequency that needs to come out. You want to do it by ear, but you can sort of look at the loop and see where it's hitting, where it would be harsh. So if I look at this loop here, you can see it's going to be around here. And then as soon as I turn the Q up, you can hear that it's really hitting. So I'll turn it down a bit. I never want to go below -6. So I'll do this a few times on the same EQ. So this process just helps with the mix down and it just makes everything a lot smoother. And when you EQ things, it almost reminds me of whack-a-mole. So there's like 16 holes and only one mole can come out of each hole. And if you EQ correctly, the correct sounds will come through. But it's almost like, imagine you was trying to get 2 moles come out of the same hole. It's not going to happen and it's going to look awful and it's not going to sound good.